little ant.
Hi, bird. This meadow is so pretty.
Let's explore together.
Yes, let's go. Oh dear, a little ant is in trouble. Don't worry, little ant. I will help you.
Thank you.
Here, take this leaf. Thank you. I am safe now. You saved my life, Pigeon. I will never forget your kindness. Oh no, help!
Get over here!
Leave me alone!
Ouch! Get back here!
Too slow!
Oh no, you don't!
Thank you, dear ant. You saved me. Friends always help each other.
Indeed! What wonderful friends you are!
Hooray!